Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today my little brother Joshua will show us how to make a Droppel Ganger.
So first you fold this right in half. That's not in half enough, like that. And then you fold these wings. And then instead of folding the other wings, you fold down. And then you fold these wings. And then you fold it right to that. And then you fold these wings. Okay, so now let's go test it out. Let's go over there to try testing it out. So I'm going to throw it up high. It kind of crashed. Let's try that again. Oh, it works pretty well. Okay, let's end the video there. We'll see you guys in the next video. And if you liked it, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye!